Hi guys, so today as promised I will showcase how to build an app from my design that I showed on social media a few days ago. So without further ado, let's start. We'll start with the simulator on. So I'll place the simulator over here somewhere. So there we go, now we're ready. So without further ado, let's start. So what do we need? So we need a grey background. We already have the grey background. You see over here, constant styles equals style sheet dot create container. So this container, we can change the color to white, but we need it as grey, so we'll change it back to grey. And that color I'm getting from here. See, right there. So next, what do we need next? We need a box. So how are we gonna make the box? This is how we make the box. So we create a view, a view, and we'll call that view styles dot login box. And then over here we will create a login box. So what does this need to have? First of all, it needs to be in the middle, so we'll give it a width of dimensions, which means dimensions.getScreen means the dimensions of the screen dot width. So let's put something in here just to make sure we know what we're playing with. Welcome. There we have welcome. And then just to put everything in the middle, we'll do align items, center. There we go, that's fine. But we don't want it to be in the entire length of the screen. We'd rather it be half the length of the screen. So we'll divide by 2. And we don't want that welcome to be there, we want it to be there closer to the left. So what we'll do is flex start. There we go. Secondly, we need assign to continue. So we'll place that underneath. Sign in to continue. Right, we need that to be there as well. And we need 2 text inputs and 1 button. Text input placeholder equals username. Is it username? Yes it is, the capital U. Username. Then we need another text input with a placeholder password. They're currently not showing on the screen because of the color, but I'll fix that shortly. Then what we need is a touchable opacity. Touchable opacity get started. We'll sort the arrow out shortly. So now that we have all this, let's just first prove to ourselves that this is really a box and change the background color a bit. So we'll copy and paste this attribute and stick it down here. Change that to FFF to make it white, and there we have a box. That's the proof that we have a box. So now that I have a box, let's get started in fixing it up and making it look nice. So we have our welcome. That needs to be bigger and bolder. So we'll do it the quick way, but the long way. So font size, we'll make that 30. Font weight bold, and then we'll give it a padding as well. Cool. Okay. think we should make it a bit smaller. Yeah, that's better. Sign in to continue. That's a different color entirely, so we can get the color of that. Text style equals double bracket color change the color of that now. Make that slightly bigger as well, so font size, let's say 15, and that's okay. Then our placeholder, so what we'll do is, because we've got two of the same, we'll just do styles dot input, and we'll copy and paste that into here. And for our touchable opacity, we'll just do one basic one. So style, how does it need to look? It needs to be a box, and it needs to just have a padding. So with all we need is a padding. So padding. So we have a border and a padding. So border with one padding 20. Perfect. We just need to change the background color from our border width to background color, and change the color to this one over here. Sorry, blender. Control V. There you go. So we just need to place this in the middle. That's fine. So the only thing that needs to go in that side place is this. Align self flex dot. Small mistake made there. There we go. So now what do? We have our sign to continue, we have our username, we have our password, we have our get started. Why doesn't it look how we want it to look? That's because we need to make it a slightly bigger box. So plus 100, sorry, plus 100. Guys, this is very, very easy. I'm literally just doing this off the top of my head. I'm literally just looking at this design and just thinking what it needs and placing it over here. This is very, very easy. I'm sure any of you guys who would copy this one time, any of you guys who would copy what I'm doing once would get it. So now that we've done that part, let's do, okay, so we need a slightly taller box. So let's not give it a width, let's keep how it is. Instead of giving it a width, we do something else. We will first make the inputs a bit bigger. So font size 30. Slight mistake, font size 30. And border bottom with 1, padding 20, because we needed that to be a bit bigger. And get started needs its own, it needs to be much smaller than this, so 50, oh sorry, so let's say 200. Login box needs a border radius, definitely. And center width of dimensions. So we should do this again. Dimensions, get screen dot width divide by 2 plus 50. Much better. We need a margin between this and that, so margin top 100. We need a margin between the get started and the bottom. I'm going to use that then. Okay, so now what issues are we facing? Right. Here we go. So now what issue do we have? Okay, makes sense. So this styles.input needs to go to the end. There we go, username. Okay, so next what do we do? How do they both look different? Okay, so welcome and assigning to continue are pretty much on the same place. Will this do it? Yes, we need a line bridge between them both. So we'll have to put them in different places and give them no padding at all. Just a padding right. Padding right 20. So just make that a margin right. Okay, it doesn't like a margin either. Padding 10. That makes sense. Another padding 10. We want them to be as close to it as possible. So we want a padding right of 10. Okay, we want a padding everything except there we go, much better. So now what do we need? We need to fix our button down here. If we make around 50 and then we make it align its items to the middle, center. And now what issue do we have? Okay, that's a minor issue. We need that. So that's it. That's that in the middle. And now why do we have an issue to do with width? Oh yeah, that's why. There we go. So are we close? We are pretty much close, but we just need to fix the inputs. So how close are we now? This is slightly bigger at the end, so we need this to be slightly bigger. That's fine. So we do padding 50. Wrong padding. A margin of 50. Should I go back? Okay. So I think we are close enough to this. Okay. Just slightly more space between them two, so styles or input goes back to 30. And the login books need not be like that, so plus 100 or plus 70. That's much better. Now we just need to import arrows. Okay, so now that we've got our arrow, let's move into putting this arrow here. So what we're going to do is we're going to import as an image. Image source. Okay, doesn't seem to like that. So image. Image source. And we're going to have to do flex. We're going to have to make it into a row. So flex direction row. We're going to put it here. So image source equals URI like that. Style width 50, height 20, and then will that work? Yes, there we go, that looks nice. So let's make the width a bit smaller, make the height a bit bigger, the height a bit smaller actually. Get started. Okay, so we have our get started now. But there's a small issue. It's not in the right place. This may not work, but let's see. Okay. That worked. I stuck the image right into the text. That's okay. There we go, perfect. Absolutely perfect. Now that we've created what we wanted to create, let's now build the functionality. So welcome back guys, we're gonna build the functionality now. So constructor props. Actually we don't need all this, we just need one thing. So React Native gives a massive benefit with states. States are ways in which we can control components through changing variables within them and outside of them just by this.setState. So what states are we going to need here? Submitted, false, and username, which is empty right now. So what we're going to do is if this dot state dot submitted. Guys, by the way, if this is looking difficult, please one time try this out yourself, and I guarantee you it'll come as easy to you as it came to me. So if it's not submitted, we'll throw it into here. Else if this dot state dot submitted is true, then what do we want to come back? We want welcome username and sign out to come out. So we'll take a couple of these things. We'll take the box. We need the box. Make this welcome username. We're gonna put the real username there. We just need that for now. Take away this. Take away that. Get started. We'll not make extra an image inside here. Let's say sign out instead. Okay, so we have that. So now let's put something on press here. So let's make a function called login. This button on press will go to this dot login. We need these unchanged texts to register to that. So this dot set state username value. Sorry, I was wrong. Username value. So then we have. So what happens is, as soon as the user puts in a username, it goes here. Now what we're gonna do? We're gonna do this dot set state submitted true, and that's going to change everything over to there. And then once that happens, we're gonna have welcome this dot state dot username and sign out. And what do we want to have on sign out? On press this dot sign out. That's not working because the method that has been created here. I'll make it now. So sign out, and this is just the opposite of this. That exclamation point means not, so this means not submitted. Whatever you put an exclamation point before in programming, straight away means the opposite, so not. So is that going to work? Let's see. Three, 2, 1. There we go. Welcome, Sean. Guys, thank you very much for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe, and share this. If you feel there's any issues in the way I taught this or anything, any problem at all, please get into contact with me in the comments or on social media somewhere. Thank you very much for watching.